Klover crashing as soon as you open it is usually caused by corrupted app data, an outdated app version, or a problem with your phone's operating system, not by your Klover account itself. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest fixes to try, what to do if none of them work, and when it's time to contact Klover support. Start with the simplest fix. Force close the Klover app completely, then open it again. On Android, open recent apps and swipe Klover away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the app up to close it. If it still crashes immediately, restart your phone before trying again. Next, check whether you're using the latest version of Klover. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Klover, and install any available update. App crashes often happen after an operating system update when you're still using an older app version. If you're using Android, clear the app cache. Open Settings, then Hapsi, select Klover, tap Storage, and choose Ein Clear Caching. If that doesn't help, use Clear Datei or A Clear Storage, but remember, you'll need to sign back into your account afterward. Now check your phone's software. Go to your device settings and install any available Android or iOS updates. Running an older operating system can cause compatibility problems with newer app releases. If the app is still crashing, uninstall Klover completely and install it again from the official App Store. A fresh installation replaces damaged files that clearing the cache can't fix. There's one more thing to check. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app opens normally on a different network. If you are using a VPN, disable it temporarily because some apps don't work properly through certain VPN connections. If none of these fixes solve the problem, the issue may be on Klover's side. Check whether other users are reporting the same problem through Klover's official support channels or social media. If it's a server-side issue, you'll usually need to wait until the service is restored. If the problem only affects your account, contact Klover support and include your phone model, operating system version, app version, and a description of exactly when the crash happens. Those details make it much easier for the support team to identify the cause. To recap, update the app, clear the cache or reinstall it, make sure your phone software is current, and check whether the issue is affecting everyone or only your device. Try those steps in order, since they solve the majority of launch crashes. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick app troubleshooting guides.